If you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach for 7 days, this is what happens to your body. Garlic is an undeniably popular food nowadays. If you walk into the grocery store, you will find an exorbitant amount of items with this flavor, be it bread, chips, poultry, meat, pretzels, and salad dressing. This demand is not a new phenomenon. Garlic has been celebrated since ancient times. Ancient civilizations, who never contacted each other, understood the incredible value in this plant. Ancient Egypt used them to increase strength and productivity, circulatory ailments, and insect infestation. The Talmud, a Jewish text from the 2nd century, prescribed garlic for parasites and other disorders. Ancient Greek soldiers ate garlic to enhance their courage, and to protect the skin against poison. Ancient Romans thought it to improve cardiovascular status, gastrointestinal disorders, and alleviation of joint disease. Japan and China used it for respiration and digestion. The pattern continues throughout ancient India, the Middle Ages, the Renaissance, and early America. They were correct. Scientific health benefits of garlic. Today, science has investigated this unassuming plant and found it to be a superstar for health and healing. It holds the following qualities. It can also may be beneficial in controlling symptoms of diabetes, enlarged prostate, osteoarthritis. If reading about these amazing benefits is giving you garlic cravings, here is the proper way to eat it to improve your health. Garlic and honey recipe. Garlic is optimal in its raw form since heat decentralizes allicin, its core active ingredient. Crush and chop the cloves, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and add it to your food. Crushing the garlic improves the bioavailability, so if you don't have a garlic press, it's time to invest in one. Take this regularly to strengthen your immunity and achieve your optimal health. Ingredients: 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves chopped finely, 1 tablespoon raw, organic honey. Combine and enjoy. It's as simple as that. Take this every day for bolstered energy levels. Garlic flu tonic recipe. If you are fighting cold or flu and in need of an immunity boost, try this tonic. It's bursting with health-promoting foods. Ingredients: 5 garlic cloves chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger chopped, raw and unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 lemon juiced, 2 red chili peppers chopped. Directions: add the ingredients one layer at a time into a 350 to 500 ml mason jar. Start with the garlic chili peppers, and ginger and end with the lemon juice and the apple cider vinegar. Seal the jar ensuring there is at least 1 centimeter of space from the rim. Store the jar in the pantry and consume some of this mixture regularly until your flu symptoms are gone, or for prevention. How to use pressed garlic to reverse eyesight loss without glasses or surgery. The eyesight is probably our most important sense. The eyes allow us to see the world, but their impact is often underestimated, and we use them to look at different gadgets, which can seriously damage them. Loss of vision is usually associated with aging, but sometimes it's caused by bad lifestyle choices. Some everyday habits can increase or decrease the risk of developing various eyesight problems. When we're talking about lifestyle choices, we are really talking about our diet. Food can be either poison or medicine. Today we're going to talk about one of the most powerful foods for our health: garlic. Garlic is considered a superfood, due to the essential nutrients it contains, and health benefits it offers. According to recent studies, garlic can boost our eyesight. One study that examined more than 800 patients suffering from vision problems such as age-related macular degeneration showed that a diet high in fats can significantly increase the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other vision problems. The participants were divided into 2 groups. One was put on a placebo, while the others were given garlic. At the end of the study, the results showed that garlic can negate the effects of a high-fat diet and resolve numerous eyesight problems. Mono and polyunsaturated fats found in processed foods, such as French fries, cookies, and potato chips, can double the risk of macular degeneration, and loss of vision. However, scientists have managed to discover that foods rich in linoleic acid, and fish rich in healthy oils can reduce the risk of vision problems, and boost our eyesight. Here's how garlic and oily fish can improve our eyesight. Oily fish. Fish contain healthy fats such as docosahexaenoic acid. This compound has a positive effect on the blood vessels leading to the retina, and is highly concentrated in the retina itself, which results in lower risk of macular degeneration. According to a study from the Tufts University in Boston, which involved 4,000 participants, people who consume pasta, rice, and bread often are more at risk of macular degeneration and diabetes. About 20% of the patients could have prevented these problems by staying away from processed foods and consuming health fats such as those found in oily fish. Garlic. Garlic is a natural powerhouse that offers numerous health benefits. It affects the function of the blood platelets and acts as a natural anticoagulant. Garlic can also be used to prevent vision issues, which should be caught and treated on time, in order to prevent vision loss. Blood pressure reduction. Garlic has a positive effect on the blood pressure. Its active compound allicin can boost the creation of angiotensin II, which is responsible for muscle contraction. Reduces cholesterol. Garlic can manage your cholesterol levels, and is great for your cardiovascular health. As a strong natural antioxidant, it can reduce the amount of cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood and prevent the accumulation of plaque in the arteries, which leads to reduced risk of stroke or heart attack. As you can see, garlic is a powerful natural remedy that can prevent numerous problems, including macular degeneration. It doesn't cause any kind of side effects, like prescription medication. Include it in your diet more often to stay clear from cardiovascular problems, and boost your eyesight as well. What happens if you put garlic under your pillow? As one of the healthiest food in the world is considered garlic, and this is because of the plenty healthy nutrients that are beneficial for the overall health. Because of its power to prevent and treat large number of health problems including liver diseases, baldness, clogged arteries, colds, flu, respiratory problems, etc. It is recommended to be eaten every day. Garlic raw power. Garlic's potency can be optimized if it is crushed, but however the effect will never be the same when you cook it and when it eat it raw. If you would prefer crushed garlic, then do that and leave it for 15 minutes, then add some vegetable oil and parsley to remove the bad odor, and eat it. Garlic under your pillow. Have ever heard something about putting a garlic under pillow? Well, there are people that do that, and you may want to know the reason why. People believe that if you put a garlic under your pillow you will improve your sleep significantly. There are even people who hold garlic in their pockets for a good luck, or those who rub pans and pots to eliminate negativity that might have contaminated the food. So the next time you want to get rid of the negative energy or to improve sleep, just put a garlic under your pillow or in your pocket. Putting a garlic clove under your pillow works magic. Garlic is a smelly thing and not everyone fancies it. However, it offers most amazing benefits for human health and life. Putting just one clove of garlic under your pillow works wonders. Even back at the times when scientists had not enough data on garlic, people used it for food and around their houses to stay healthy. They eat it to cure various diseases from sore gums to colds, cough, and cancer. They also resorted to it to maintain positive energy balance in their houses. Now we have scientific proof of its wonder powers. Garlic is rich in allicin. It has antibacterial properties. Of old, people used to hang garlic around their houses. It spreads its smell and its nutrients in the air and kills bad germs. And people also crushed garlic cloves to make sauces for salads and other dishes. Scientists have discovered that when crushed allicin produces stronger health effect, but when boiled or cooked, garlic loses its healing properties. So, having a crush on garlic is certainly good for your health. If you love eating it and crushing it before you eat, you get the most of the veggie. But why put it under your pillow at night? Well, Garlic spreads around its smell and ingredients and promotes sound and healthy sleep. Of old, people believed it could scare off evil spirits and protect people from them. Some folks even carried a clove of garlic in their pockets. So, now when you know more about its properties, eat it daily and put a clove under your bed to keep you healthy and protect your sleep.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.